One bright morning, Tuntuni woke up full of energy and couldn't wait to play with his favorite toys. Before long, toys, books, and shoes were scattered all across the room. Mom walked into the room, smiled, and said, "Oh, Tuntuni, your room is such a mess." Tuntuni smiled and said, "I'll clean it up later, Mom. I want to play now." As Tuntuni kept playing, he suddenly realized that his favorite toy car was missing. It had disappeared under the pile of toys and books. Mom smiled and said, "Tuntuni, when your room is messy, things get lost, and you might even get hurt. If you put your toys back after playing, you'll always be able to find them easily." Tuntuni happily said, "You're right! Come on, Mom, let's tidy up together." Together, Tuntuni and Mom put the books on the bookshelf, the toys in the toy box, and the shoes neatly in their proper place. Now the room was neat and sparkling clean. And the best part? Tuntuni found his favorite toy car right away. Tuntuni, "Wow! From now on, I will tidy up my room every day."